Hello kids, this is our English class online. I'm your teacher, Teacher Glean. Today we will continue on our lesson, English alphabet. Let's review our lesson last week so that it will be reminded in your mind, okay? Big letter G, small letter G is for goat, g, g, goat. Now let's review our English chant, okay? I want to go. I want to go. I want to get. I want to get. There in the gate. There in the gate. A little goat. A little goat. Again, I want to go. I want to get. There in the gate. A little goat. Okay, let's review our words last week. A garden. What is this? This is a garden. Number 2, a garage. What is this? What is this? This is a garage. A garlic. A garlic. What is this? What is this? This is a garlic. Okay, let's have more as we review. A ginger. A ginger. What is this? What is this? This is a ginger. A girl. A girl. What is this? This is a girl. A gorilla. A gorilla. What is this? This is a gorilla. Okay, those are the words starts with the letter G. Now, today our lesson is about the letter H. Okay, let's study the sound of that letter. Big letter H. Small letter H is for hot. Ha, ha, hot. Okay, so this is a hat. Okay, let's repeat. Big letter H. Small letter H is for hat. Ha, ha, hot. Okay. Okay, let's learn our English chant today. I hope you can remember. Ho, ho, ho. Ho, ho, ho. I'm a hairy bear. I'm a hairy bear. Come and catch me. Come and catch me. If you dare. If you dare. Okay, let's repeat. Ho, ho, ho. I'm a hairy bear. Come and catch me if you dare. Again, ho, ho, ho. I'm a hairy bear. Come and catch me if you dare. Okay, let's learn new words today, okay? A hand. A hand. Okay, look at the picture. So this is a hand. But look at this. It's pointing, okay, far from that hand. So the question is, what is that? So this picture is far from you. So that's why, what is that? So what is the answer? That is a hand. That is a hand. A heart. A heart. Okay, so this is a heart. What is that? What is that? That is a heart. That is a heart. Helicopter. A helicopter. Okay, so this is a helicopter. What is that? What is that? That is a helicopter. Okay, let's repeat so that you will remember this lesson. A hand. What is that? What is that? That is a hand. A heart. A heart. What is that? What is that? That is a heart. That is a heart. Number 3, a helicopter. A helicopter. What is that? That is a helicopter. That is a helicopter. Now let's have more, okay? More words starting with the letter H. A hen. A hen. What is that? What is that? That is a hen. That is a hen. A horse. A horse. What is that? What is that? That is a horse. That is a horse. A house. A house. What is that? What is that? That is a house. That is a house. Okay, let's repeat one more time. A hen. What is that? What is that? That is a hen. A horse. A horse. What is that? What is that? That is a horse. That is a horse. A house. A house. What is that? What is that? That is a house. Okay? Okay. So that's all for today. Thank you for listening and watching this video. See you again. Bye-bye.